Hello everyone and welcome to Investing Angles. Today we will talk TLT and we'll try to understand why it is falling right now. Those subscribers who were able to watch our video that we posted late yesterday would probably know about it. Later in the video we will discuss the perspectives for the closure of the yields, 10-year 20-year yields of monthly closure, and as well we'll have a quick look at what is happening right now with the major indices like S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and Russell. Alright, so support us with your subscriptions. Don't forget to click this subscribe button and let's begin. So this is the current chart, and this is the chart that we shared yesterday. We spotted one important event that happened to TLT, and we projected this path, saying that this potential bearish flag being developed here, and this is exactly what is happening right now. So at the opening, TLT jumped higher into our target area and is right now falling. We keep this target intact for now. However, well, depends on the development. It might be adjusted, but so far it's tracking well. All right, so let's have a look at what is happening with candles. So candles, yeah, as we said, this candle that formed yesterday, it had a chance to become a bullish reversal candle, but it was rejected, and it looks like it's gonna be a spinning top engulfed with this big bearish engulfing that is on track to complete today. If it happens, well, we should expect move lower. At least one new lower low will be on track. So this is the 30-minute chart I was looking for, and the 10-day frame is also looking bearish. 3-day frame, well, that's gives us a hope. We'll see how it closes today. However, if we have a look at the bigger charts like 5-day, for example, or 10-day frame, they are looking bearish at the moment. This is 15-day frame. It's also bearish, and we are not seeing any chances for reversal in the mid to long term. And this is the monthly frame. We already talked about it numerous times. If you're interested, you can watch the previous videos, or you can check our website for recent weekly and daily reports on TLT and the bonds. All right, so let's move on. Let's see what is happening with the yields right now. Yesterday it was a very strong bearish move. However, it has a chance to be a fake one if the yields close with green candles like this today. So far, only 2-year and 5-year yields are looking weaker, but the 10, 20, and 30 years are fairly strong. They could be back on track above the major support level. If it happens today, well, then we should expect a continued rally in January. So this is the 10-year yield chart for bigger candles. So the daily we already looked at. This is the potential closure for 10-day chart, which is also closing today. Today is last day. It's December 31st. And this is gonna be bullish if it holds above this red candle, and the same thing is gonna happen for the monthly. Well, it looks like yields are on track for a bullish closure, and unless a real sell-off happens until the end of the day, well, the closure of these and even bigger candles will be bullish. We will discuss them in our annual report later this week or on the weekend. let's move on. This is our big chart for 10-year yield that we've been tracking for 2 years since December 2022. So far it's been unchanged, and today we will see whether bigger candle and bigger technical indicator will provide any reference for a change of our expectations. All right, so this is the bonds, yields, and TLT, and now let's have a look at our indices. What is happening right now on the stock market? Well, we already discussed this, the perspectives and the needs for the index to do, so what they need to do on the last day of the year. So far we are seeing that Russell, IWM, and the DIA Dow Jones are closing with strong bearish candles. So these are going to be, I don't believe in miracles, so these are going to be dark cloud covers at least, and if there is a sell-off into the end of the day, Russell has a chance to form a bearish engulfing. This would be quite something. For Nasdaq, Nasdaq needs to close today above November high in order to keep the odds bullish. However, we are seeing that it's not on track for now. It's still almost 4 hours to go, and anything could happen. But at this point, we are seeing it is falling, and the chances for a bearish closure with this long leg doji, which will be either a spinning top, or if it becomes red one, it might even be a gravestone doji. Well, SP 500, S&P 500, SPY is on the verge right now. So I marked this midpoint for the candle. Closure below this midline, middle line, even 1 pip would be bearish from the candle's perspective. So watch this closely and see how it goes. Another last 4 hours in this year. Alright, so that's been all about I wanted to say about indices, about TLT and bonds. Check our website for a free reader package. Our marketing team will be sharing a very interesting discount for those readers who join us in the last day of new year, or last day of this year. You will get something in email in next year. All right, so that's all I wanted to say for TLT. Watch it closely. It might get a few surprises today. Thank you very much for watching. Happy New Year and happy trading.